This is an online business school review. Just look at all the different topics of this lesson. There's 6 different training packages, 6 different training levels, all meant to assist you in building an online business or taking a business that you may already have online. Even if you're a beginner, you can start from scratch, as this will teach you how. And as you can see, the training just doesn't stop. Doesn't stop. There's so much that you can learn here. Look, and all you do is just click on the lesson you're ready to learn, and it immediately populates here. And then what do? Well, you just press play and consume your desired training. Master the different ins and outs of online marketing techniques, business building skills that will make you success. We've even included training that not only teaches you about running an online business or starting an online business and having success right out the gate, but we also teach you the physical health skills that you need so that you can physically last and endure your full business career that you're about to have. That's right. What good does it mean if you know all the business building skills, but your physical health is not in shape? Not to mention your mental health as well. Yes, we have so much training, so much. You just got to come on in here. Somewhere around this video, you're going to see a button or a link, and you're going to want to press that button and choose the learning package of your choice. But I would recommend that you get the highest learning package that you can. Why? Because each one of these packages also allows you to earn. And just what do I mean by that? Well, take a look. Let's see, are you really ready to begin earning daily income? Look, this is our first package, the lowest level package. It's $30 is all it'll cost you. But if you refer someone after you yourself are an owner of this awesome detailed training package, you'll earn $25 instantly paid to you. And this is just a recap of just some of the lessons in that one alone. Look at all of that you're getting just in that one alone. And we didn't just stop with education. We also give you tools. Yes. This is not just an online business school, but it also has the website building tools. So with this particular package for $30, you get a custom opt-in page. That's your own web page built, designed to collect subscribers who are interested in what you have to offer. That's right. This is included, folks. Now let's take a look at the second package, the Elevation Elite, for $110. And as you can see, it comes with a custom social media pack. More tools that you can use. They'll be customized and designed to fit the business of your choice. That's what you're getting with this package. And after you yourself own it, not only do you own this, but you'll also own any packages that are underneath it. Yes, and you are allowed to earn on those packages. Now for this Elevation Basic, you would earn $100 instantly paid to you if someone were to purchase through your link. And just look at all the different lessons in this one. Let's go on to the next one, the Vertex $275. If you refer and anyone purchases, you get $250 instantly paid to you, and it contains everything that came before it, all the tools, as well as custom email templates, more tools that you can use, customized to fit the business of your choice. And all you're going to be doing to get those tools and get them customized, once you purchase the package, you're just going to fill out a form and say how you want it customized, and our team is going to build it according to your specifications. Look at all the trainings in that one. And again, you'll receive a whopping $250 instantly paid, not paid monthly or weekly. This will be instantly paid to the account of your choice. The next one is the Vertex Elite for $550, and of course you'll get everything that came before it, but this one even comes with a custom logo. That's right. We will customize a business logo for your business with the right vectors, the highest quality resolution, everything you need so you can have the proper branding. And look at the lessons in the Vertex Elite. Just look at this. Look at all this training you get. Look at that. And if anybody buys through your link and purchases this Vertex Elite, and you yourself are already an owner, you're going to earn $500 instantly paid to you. Just think of what a $500 payment would do to you right now if it was to come in. You wouldn't be happy about a $500 payment and having your own customized logo for your business as well as all the other training and tools that came before this? Of course you would. And of course, we have our Vertex Pro Connect. Contains everything before it. It's for $1,100, and it includes a multi-page funnel and 37 additional trainings. So you're going to get multiple website page funnel customized and built for you. That's right. We build it and install it just for you. No one will ever have a site like it. No one will ever have a full funnel like it. And these are the trainings. And let me tell you what's so awesome about this Vertex Pro. If you go ahead and refer this and somebody buys, you're going to get $1,000 instant payment. That's right, folks. There are so many of our members earning these $1,000 instant paid commissions. But let's go to the Vertex Live, because that's for $2,500, and it gives you the opportunity to earn on all the other levels too, but also a big-time commission of $2,000 instant payments. You get all the training and other tools that came before it, and you'll get a custom corporate-style mega website. It's going to brand you, have you looking like one of the big multi-billion-dollar corporate companies. And just look at the training you're getting. Training you're going to need to run your business. Training you're going to need to set yourself up to be the authority in your niche. That's what we have here. Like I said, you're going to want to go ahead. You're going to want to press one of the buttons you see around this video, or there's a link in the description. Look in that link. Look in that description for the link. Press the button you see and hit a Get Started Now. Sign up. Sign up. It's free for you to sign up and register. You just gotta pick the package of your choice, the package that contains the training and tools you know you need to succeed with online and just in life general, especially in these days and times. These are time-tested products that have been selling. They're selling very well because these are the teachings, the trainings, and the tools that people right now are searching for and desperately need to make some additional income. And this additional income, once again, is paid instantly. Paid instantly. Look, guys, I can't stress how great of an opportunity this is. It'll be awesome for you to start making these instant payments. And you can make as many instant payments as you want to make. As many as you want. And with our one-up compensation plan, oh, wow, I'm telling you. But what is this one-up compensation plan. Let's take a look. It's simple, simple, simple. Every member must pass up the second person they refer to their sponsor. The person passed up is their qualifying referral. After that second pass-up sale, all future sales you keep. Now, you may be thinking, well, why would I want to pass up a sale I make? Why would I want to do this? Well, take a look at this. First sale goes to you. Second sale is passed up to your sponsor. Third sale and all future sales go to you. All go to you. But guess what? All of these people, all of these third sales and future sales, all of those people, they have to pass up their second sale to you as well. So what if you get just 10 people? Just think. The second of your 10 is going to go up to your sponsor. But all those other 9 people, they have to pass up all their second sales to you. It's a way that simply it just multiplies your earning potential. Multiplies your earning potential. It just multiplies it. That's all. It's called a one-up compensation plan. That's all it is. We've set this up to the best of our ability to make you the most money. Just a small example. If you make a sale at the elevation in the amount of 30, this person you sponsor must pass up their second sale to you for elevation. If and when the same user joins any other level, they must pass up the second sale at each level. They're passing up their second sale at each level to you. And again, all sales are paid instantly. You won't be waiting for your payment. This has got to be one of the greatest business opportunities you'll ever run into, folks. Believe me, this is it. This is once again, our pricing structure. On the right-hand side, you'll see the admin fees. On the left-hand side, this is what you make, instantly paid to you. Now, I know all this might seem a little bit intimidating for you, especially if this is something newer to you, but we even got a 30 days blueprint to get you started right out the gate. As soon as you choose your package, we got a blueprint to get you on, especially if you're going to plan on referring this. You don't have to refer. The trainings are enough to get whatever business you got going to immediate heights of success. But if you want to go ahead and promote this, don't worry. We got a 30-day blueprint to get you going. So I'll say it again. Somewhere around this video, there's got to be a link. There's got to be a button. I want you to press it and go ahead and purchase your package. Get into this 30-day blueprint that you'll see on the inside and start. Just start. Just start. And hey, if you don't have a referral or if you don't see any button or link for some reason, you can just go to E1uEasymoneysite.biz. I thank you for taking the time to watch this presentation. Hopefully you understand how awesome of an opportunity this is. And I can't wait to see you guys on the inside. I can't wait to see your name come up on all of those instant commissions. This is just too easy for you not to pass up. Just one more tool in your arsenal of making money in these trying days and times. Peace and light. Everything's going to be all right. Looking forward to seeing you on the inside.